Energy recovery stable.
Spanning miles of unforgiving terrain, this facility represents the cutting edge of military aviation.
If it isn't traceable, it doesn't fly.
Lower slowly. Hold alignment.
Send inspect. Send it to forming.
These spars carry wing loads into the fuselage.
Frame seated. Secure it.
Hole alignment controls the entire airframe geometry.
One row at a time. Keep the pressure even.
Clean edges prevent stress cracks.
Alignment confirmed.
Lock the fixture, don't force it.
One row at a time. Keep the pressure even.
Lock the fixture, don't force it. These spars carry wing loads into the fuselage.
Lower slowly. Hold alignment. Lower slowly. Hold alignment.
These spars carry wing loads into the fuselage.
Alignment confirmed.
Frame seated. Secure it.
This joint handles extreme flight loads.
서서히 액센추해 보여. 이제 바로 되는 거구나.
This prevents fatigue cracking.
This prevents fatigue cracking.
Panel fits. Panel seed. Proceed.
Panel fits, proceed.
Central fuselage complete. Ready for wings.
Easy, hold it there. No twist. We're good. We're good. The schematic calls for the blue harness at station 12.
Roger that. Torque is set to 40 inch-pounds.
Did you secure the primary harness clamp?
Yes, step 4 complete. Moving to the avionics tray now.
Rails aligned. Locking in.
Rails aligned. Line locking in.
Geometry confirmed.
These spars carry wing loads into the fuselage. Control stick seated.
Control stick seated.
Redundant paths confirmed. Redundant paths confirmed.
Display locked. Display locked.
Seat alignment critical.
Seat alignment critical.
Seat secured. Safety's in.
Cockpit systems responding.
This reading on the auxiliary manifold is slightly out of spec.
I see it. Let's check the calibration on the sensor.
According to this schematic, the wiring harness routing needs modification before we close the panel.
Let me see that. Yes, that explains the earlier error code.
Surface clear, no fractures.
Blade angle must match the airflow model. Blade angle must match the airflow model.
Imbalance within tolerance.
Imbalance within tolerance.
Fuel-air mix happens here.
This stage extracts energy to drive the compressor. These sensors monitor engine health in flight.
Engine moving. Maintain center lines.
Engine installed. Ready for systems integration.
会影响。
Engine installed. Ready for systems integration.
Keep it steady, watch the starboard clamp.
Copy that.
Coming through bay 3.
Harness locked. No slack. Avionics power path confirmed.
Hydraulics drive all control surfaces.
Actuator line sealed.
Fly-by-wire system online.
Wing interface complete.
Begin avionics calibration.
All units responding within parameters.
Surface response confirmed.
Gear cycle nominal.
Engine parameters stable.
Sensor alignment verified. Proceed to final checks.
All aircraft synchronized.
Calibration complete on aircraft 7.
Roger that. Move to staging.
Aircraft set secured. External power connected.
External power connected.
Hydraulics stable.
Idle stable.
Taxi approved. Hold position. Viper 1 aligned and ready, runway 22 right. Requesting clearance for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff. Airspeed alive.
Pitch control confirmed.
Entering high G turn. Roll rate nominal. All coordinates met to off. Climb rate increasing.
Energy recovery stable.
Response immediate. Passing transonic. Sorry, let's cancel on the ground with ground, guys. This max speed achieved. Next achieved.
On glide path.
Speed under control.
Bring her forward 50 feet, C. Go for brakes. Welcome home, sir.
No visible anomalies.
No visible anomalies. Performance meets all specifications. Approved for operational service.